What's up there, YouTube? This is your boy Big Leonard here with B&M Land Management. It's Saturday morning. I don't even know what time it is. Uh, about 9:20. But anyways, just finished up a job here and kind of turned into a bigger job than expected. But as you can see, this is a 2 acre horse some horse property, just like arena, yeah, an arena, horse arena. And the owner contacted me about cleaning it up and mowing it and cleaning it up, and I sent my estimate over, and I guess about 4 days or so. I mean, they sent over the estimate, and they thought about it over the 4th and over the weekend of July 4th. And they got with me on Monday about it, and so I started on it. I came out, I mowed. Well, supposedly what I was gonna do was come out and just mow it, and then do some trimming around the fences, and then there's an irrigation canal that's back there at the back. So it's gonna clean up around that. And once I got done doing that, it took me about 2 days to do. I mean, I wasn't in a hurry to do it, but I mean, it was pretty hot out here, so I'm not gonna kill myself trying to provide a service. But anyways, I did that. I mowed, and that's the driveway area right there. That was one of the things I told him. I would come out, I would mow, I would trim, and then I would blow this driveway area clear of any grass and leaves. As you can see, the trees that are hanging over the road there. But the one thing that made this job take a lot longer was the fact that when I cut these weeds that were here, then I realized how big of a mess it was. And I mean, even trying to blow it, it was kind of hard to blow. And oh man, I ended up raking it. Yeah, I blew a lot of it kind of in a general area, but then I ended up raking it up into a bunch of piles, and then I ended up bagging it, and that was probably the worst part of it. And I couldn't leave it like that, just for the fact that it's got my name on it, and that's the one thing that I encourage people, regardless of what kind of business they are in, whatever you do, hold yourself to a higher standard, and don't shortchange yourself, don't shortchange your customers as well. And I ended up, I don't know how many bags there is, but as you can see on my truck, it is probably at least 50 bags, and I'll definitely count them once I unload them all. But I know that because I counted about 40 at one point when they were all out, and I just quit counting because I knew it was more. And so I'm thinking it's probably somewhere between like 50 and 60 bags, and it definitely took a long time. It took a while to do. So, but anyways, I mean, this is it right here. And by the way, these mesquite trees here, and you can see them. There's one right there. There's one right there. And then there's some like in the back corner there. And And then there's another one, and I didn't trim those trees. I actually got a sub to do that, and that's part of my business. There's some things I'm willing to do, and then there's other things I'll totally walk away from. And trimming trees, I'm gonna walk away from that, and so that's why I hired a sub to do it. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. I'm not gonna take up too much time here, but just have a great day, and stay cool, drink plenty of water, Gatorade or whatever, and don't push it too hard, because obviously it's that time of the year where it's really hot. I know it's real hot out here in Arizona, and I know the past couple days highs were anywhere from 110 to 112, and so when I get up to do this, I get up real early, probably when the sun comes up. I mean, the sun it's daylight out here at 5 in the morning, so you can get an early start, but it is still warm even at that time. But anyways, I will be in touch, and I am gonna get out of here because I am gonna go and dump these clippings here and probably call it a day. But until then, have a blessed day and keep making it happen.